Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export just a highlighted section in Audacity instead of your entire audio project. This is super useful when you only need a specific clip or segment from a longer recording. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches and your audio project is visible, you're ready to select the portion you want to export. To do this, simply click and drag your mouse over the exact section of audio you want to save. You'll see the selected area become highlighted, indicating which part will be exported. This visual feedback ensures you're grabbing precisely the segment you need. Now that you've selected your audio, navigate to the upper left corner of the screen and click on File. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Export Audio. This opens up Audacity's export window where you can configure all the settings for your audio file before saving it. In the export window, click on Export to Computer. This option allows you to save the file directly to your local drive with full control over where it goes and how it's formatted. At the top of this window, you'll see a field where you can rename your file. Go ahead and type in whatever name makes sense for this audio clip so you can easily find it later. If you want to change where the file is saved, you have that option as well. Click the Browse button to open your File Explorer, then navigate through your folders to select the location where you want this audio saved. Once you've chosen your destination folder, click Save to confirm that location. Below the file name section, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Format. Click on the drop-down right beside it to reveal all available audio formats. You'll see options like WAV, Microsoft, MP3 files, OGG, M4A, and several other file formats listed. Select your preferred file format from this list based on what you need the audio for. Each format has different qualities and compression levels, so choose what works best for your project. Next, look for the export range option below the format settings. This is crucial because it determines what portion of your audio gets saved. Click on Current Selection to ensure that only the highlighted section you selected earlier gets exported, not the entire project. Only click the Export button to save your file. Audacity will process your selection and save it to the location you specified with all the settings you configured. The export might take a few seconds depending on the length of your selection and the format you chose. And that's it. You've successfully exported just the highlighted portion of your audio in Audacity, saving you from having to export the entire project and trim it later. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.